Today we're gonna make pork hock. Then we can use it for soup with rice noodle and green onion, and then for stew on the plate. So first we need to cook, make it tender first. So these pork hock, we just get them from the supermarket and have them already cut into little pieces, easy like that. 6 pounds of pork hock. I'm going to clean it with water, fill it up to cover the top of the meat. Half cup of vinegar. Yeah, we put in about a tablespoon of powder of ginger to clean it. Boil it for 3 minutes. Okay, so it just started boiling now, so we need to skim all of this scum up, okay? Kind of like, so it let you know that dirty stuff. Get a strainer like that, get it out. And that's the best way to clean the meat without touching it. So the pork hock will be clean and nice like that to go in the pressure cooker, okay? We're gonna season the water first before we put the pork hock in. It's still in the pan behind you. A tap of ginger, a tap of garlic, a little bit, a tap of salt. Spicy seasoning, I'm using masala, or you can use 5 spices, but they're pretty similar, so I'm gonna use tandoori masala. This is coriander powder. We'll season our broth with that. And we also season it with turmeric. And then we're gonna put in some fenugreek powder. And 1 small rock sugar. You can use regular sugar, brown sugar, or regular sugar if you don't have. We're gonna put in another tablespoon of mushroom seasoning and 2 bay leaves. 1, 2, 3 bay leaves in there. So we got all the seasoning in now. And be very careful, this is a full hot pan. Put the pork hock in here. We can make 2 dishes out of this. I already put a third of water, clear water at the bottom of it before, so the season can be cooked in there. Another cup of water in there if you want, just so it will cover the bone and the meat. I like to do a little thing like that to make sure they got their preserved water for that. Okay. So we'll put a lid on. Need to lock it in first, okay? One is in place. See the words lock. Lock. You lock it. Pressure high 30 minutes, okay? So leave it there for it to cook. So the cook time now is done. I wait for 10 minutes, so we can open it now. After I pull out the plug, I'm going to put it to steam up. Just do like that. Let the steam coming out completely before you unlock this, okay? So now we're going to prepare noodle, okay? You can put that in that broth, just a diced tomato, pineapple too. And this is my shallot fry to topple the soup, some green onion, okay? I cooked some mushroom in there. And these are like a seasoning. We have heart of romaine and some basil. So you just wash the basil. I like to wash everything with dishwashing soap because it kills germs. So you have thin dish soap, clean, you can just rinse it quickly out. Pull some of these leaves out like that. You can cut this much and then you put them together for the green. Got basil and romaine lettuce for topping as well. We also use rice vermicelli. It makes with bean thread. You already soak these while cooking. So you have this much. You can cut them smaller too, so it's easy to eat. You can cut them like that. Yeah, so now you put this in a microwave oven. Add a little bit of clean water in here. Okay. And let it cook in the microwave. Okay, voila. Our soup. We're going to take one of this pork hock out and see how tender that is. Wow, you can cut right through with a fork. See how tender. It still need a little bit more time. It cooks some, but not the rest. Put it back in there, like another tablespoon of water in there. Go for another minute. Okay, so you cook about 4 minutes and 30 seconds in the microwave oven. So now we just need to have some fish sauce. The final seasoning, the salt, so I think it needs about that much. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay, if you forget to put the fish sauce in your bowl, just add it like that. And then you're gonna put your condiment in, whatever you like over here. We will have our oil, hot oil, and green onion, fried shallot, pineapple, and a little bit of cooked mushroom. Then we're gonna put a little bit of chili on top. And some of these green that we cut is gonna go on here. And we add a little bit more broth into it. So here's your soup. A second way to serve it is to make into a stew. Instead of soup, you can make stew out of these guys. Okay, let's season it first. 2 ladles of oil in here. Before we turn the heat on, we put oyster sauce. Just aim with your eyes about 1 tablespoon. After that, you put dark soy sauce, about a tablespoon as well for this much. And another tablespoon of regular soy sauce. We're gonna give it some pepper, a little bit of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cornstarch. Turn the heat on. Roll it around for it to absorb flours and sauce. Simmer it for 5 minutes total until they absorb the turn color brown and nice and pretty. That's the second version. You can serve that too. 3 minutes is good to me. Look at that. Can turn it off now and drop some basil on top. This is your dish. Stewed pork hock from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Hope you're happy and healthy.